Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a hair clipper. The brand is Kemei. I bought this from Wish, and I will just put the price in the description below. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button for notification of our upcoming vlogs. And so let's start by opening this box. Let's see what's inside. Inside is an instruction manual. Here it's properly arranged, but inside is a clipper. Here is the clipper. Wow, like a chrome or golden clipper in the red cover or a protective cap, and also the charger or AC adapter. And I think this is 100 to 240 volts, so it can work here in Canada or somewhere else that has a 220 volts power connection. And it has four, what do you call this? So it is important to charge this 3 to 5 hours before using, and be sure that the clipper is off. And it will show that the charge indicator is illuminated, and the charge indicator will begin to blink when almost fully charged and shut off when fully charged. Okay, this can also be used with the connected with the on the wall. Aside from being wireless, it can also be used as wired clipper, so that's nice. If you run out of power and you need it right away, you can charge it. You can use it using power bricks or the charger. So this has a taper. This has a taper level, so how close the blade is. You can also change it. I'll show you. See, when you move it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but adjust this for the closeness of the blade. And what else is inside? There's also a comb, a small blade cleaner, and there's no oil here, but I think you can buy one. That's if you want to lubricate your clipper. And okay, so it has four length of attachments, 4 comb, and a charger that can be used when you're out of power. You can use this also. Let's see. So it says it show here is 100% battery level. So there's a turbo and the normal mode. So press it one time, it will be on turbo mode, and then normal mode. Alright, that's nice. And let's see what will happen if we will charge this. Yep. And try to put in the wall. Again, let's try to use it. And I will cut my son's hair, and I will show you the video later. What will you say? Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, talk to the camera.
Hi guys. Today we're cutting a haircut.
Okay, we're cutting it. We're doing a haircut using this hair clipper from Kemei.
From Kemei, so Papa videoed this at last. So it's from earlier.
Okay, we will just trim some of this hair. It's better to trim hair while it's short. So for now I will use number 3. I always use the thicker one first to be safe.
I'll be a bread.
You will be the bread. Okay.
How
Okay.
about you?
Nice. This is
Nice
nice.
and cozy.
This is nice and cozy. Yeah.
Just like Ryan Dragon said that.
Oh, he's saying it?
Yeah. Just keep saying that on Battlefield 0.7.
Wait. Move aside. Okay.
I want to put my heart.
Hmm?
Oh, this one.
You're ticklish? Now let's try.
This.
No, the number 2.
2. Okay.
Number 2?
Number 3. Maybe number 3.
Number 2 first.
Okay.
Okay, number 2.
Okay, number 2.
Let's see on the number 2 what will happen. Oh, number 2. So, guys,
Right.
it's so ticklish. I hope we'll finish this properly.
So ticklish.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you're so ticklish. Now sit down
Oh,
properly.
here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it tickles like here in
Okay.
this one. The clipper.
The clipper's ticklish. You're ticklish.
Now number 3.
Yeah, we're done. Oh, number 3. Okay, I'll put back the number 3 if you want.
I want to.
Okay.
Back number 3. Okay.
Turn around.
Turn around and.
Put down your shoulder. Put down your shoulder.
Okay.
Time out.
Is that? Yeah, it's time out now.
Okay, one more. Turn around, turn around. How about the back side?
Okay.
That's funny.
Because of the bag, it tickles my clipper.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sinapu.
What happened?
Sinapu. It's ticklish on my back.
In your back. Okay, it's in your back.
It's in my butt.
Okay. What's next? What number do you want?
Number 4.
Number 4. Down.
Soda.
Number 2 first. Number 2.
What? That's countdown?
Count down. Yeah, 3, 2.
That's a soda. What's 2 plus 3 before you clip me?
Mm-hmm.
What's 2 times 2? 4. Okay, now you gotta clip me.
Wait.
Clip my hair.
Okay, no more. I can't finish it. Okay, guys, we'll continue this later. I'm gonna just show you the finished product. And yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's ticklish.
Yeah, this is ticklish. Bye-bye. So trim is done. Let's see at the side. Trimming of the hair. I use a scissor at the end. And at the back. See? Okay, that's it. We'll take a bath. And good to go. What will you say, Clark?
No.
And ring the bell for some of if we have a new upload. And let's see what will happen if we will charge this. Oops. Oh, I can't fit it properly. Oh no, why? What happened here? That doesn't fit. Yep.